Hello friends, today we are going to study about Netsparker community edition. Netsparker, see, it's an application, web application security scanner, and this is helpful for scanning the security of your website. See, here you have to provide the website address, and you can select the various options. Here there are various options: JavaScript, test parsers, authentications. Also you can provide your authenticating details, also custom cookies settings. All the scan settings are given here. You can select any of the scanning settings, and the concurrent connections also, and so it will check your website. For static test will be performed, scan will be done, backup files will be checked, SQL is your database injections or database structure will also be checked, Boolean SQL injection will be checked, blind and SQL injection, cross site scanning. These are the various options. So you can first of all you give your target URL. You have to provide your Ragvi. For example, I have taken here ragvitutorial.com, and now you have, and you can select any other. You can select any other options also here. So now I will just scan, fully scan. Yeah, you want to scan the SQL server or MySQL or JavaScript. So this community start scan. So it will scan your website. Netsparker is it is a community software, and it is very useful for checking the website, your website, the various security options of your website. It will check all the security options of your website, and it will point out the issues that are insecure in your website. So this is very useful software for keeping your website safe and secure. So try this software for your website security. Thank you very much.